marketing or promotion. So, but apart from that, still have you
No, I think for this film, marketing, promotion and awareness is extremely important because this is not a live action film. Like I said on stage, this is a film that is photorealistic and it's performance capture technology, which is completely new for India, and it is the first performance capture film in the country. And you know, sometimes after I finish shoot, we finished shooting 2 years ago, and then a week later people came to me and said, can we see rushes? And I'm like, no, that is step one, because once we finish the shoot, that's only the motion capture that's been captured. From then is when the work starts for us. So I think awareness, I think even like Amitabh Uncle again said about Avatar, that, you know, what James Cameron also did was he made sure the awareness of performance capture came out before the film actually released. It is a created film, but it is not cartoon. People have acted in it, but they are created. They're not flesh and blood on screen. So I think awareness of what kind of a film this is very important. Maybe it is a Rajinikanth film, yes, but I think what kind of a film it is, people need to know about it. I can't hear her. Thank you. I think I'm blessed. I think I'm blessed to be born to my parents. I think I'm blessed to have the opportunity to direct Mr. Rajinikanth in my first film. And again, like Shekhar Uncle said today, animation's been my dream for so many years. And 6 years ago, I did meet him. And when I did tell him this, he said, go ahead, dream on. And I think God's been kind. And today you have a film on screen. So, yeah. That's true. What my dad said was the absolute truth. Growing up, I never read a novel. I needed pictures. If it was only script, even these days, when I do scripts, even Kochadian's script will have storyboards in it because I need images to get my mind going. So I think from childhood, it's a passion, and I think films like this take that extra passion to go on with it because of pressures, you know, why is the delay so much? Why is the process? Is this real? Why is the eye wrong in this shot? Why is the shoulder? You know, there's so many questions that we have to face, and as creators, we know the process we have to undergo to make a film like this. So I think it's just the passion in me that's from childhood that's made me sit here in front of you today. I hope audience will like the film, and I hope they will understand that this is an alternate film medium. This is not a live action film, this is not a cartoon, but it's performance capture. So I think curiosity should be there. I hope it's there, and I think we've managed to pack in as much as commercial element in the film as we could. A.R. Rahman sir has done the music, and we have Saroj Khanam, Rekha Chini Prakash, you know, we have such people doing the choreography for the songs, and we have Deepika Padukone as the heroine. So I think a lot of commercial aspects have been packaged into the project, apart from the fact that it is the first performance capture, motion capture film. Oops. I can't think of anybody else but my dad to do Kochadian. You know, he looks like Lord Shiva to me. That's why I said it was a dream to see him do the Tandav, and it cannot be done in live action for various reasons. So nobody else can be Kochadian. I think it's God's grace. I think what we all do is put in our heart and soul and put in everything that we have to create a project, and everything else is in your hands. And we do films to entertain people. So at the end of the day, the audience who buys the ticket has to go back happy. I understood the first part. I didn't understand the second part. My Hindi thoda bura hai ji. Thoda malum, so I will just try and manage. Oh, right. See, I think for any father and daughter, any how do I say this? There's a lot of emotions in this, right? Because he's seen me go through my struggles. He's seen me go through the pain making this film. And like he said, when he saw his colleagues, when he saw people he has worked with understand the process, I think that made my father happy. And I'm so proud. And it's emotional for us. I think during the making, there were so many times in shooting where I could not call cut because I became a fan. And then there were so many times after pack-up time, I wanted to make sure my father went back safe because I became the daughter. And there were so many times I had to be the director to say, Appa, one more take, please, just one more. But then the daughter and the fan in me, you know, there were three different people in me when I was directing him, the fan, the daughter, and the director. So I think it's emotional. When any parent works with a child, be it son or daughter, I think there's definitely emotions involved. Now, konja dominating type da.
Sanjay, one last thing on a lighter note, actually, Rajinikanth is known to do impossible things in his films, and of course, I'm sure with you there are many jokes which circulate on Rajinikanth. So, do you think after watching this, maybe there'll be a new level of new type jokes that will be circulated? What do you personally feel of those?
I don't know. See, I think there's an undercurrent of a lot of respect for every Rajinikanth joke. I think it's not just something people come up with. It's because my father can do the impossible and only he can. So if people say if animation can be understood as not cartoon, only Mr. Rajinikanth can do that. Because in India, still animation is, people think it's Tom and Jerry. Yes, animation is Tom and Jerry, but that's not only animation. Animation is a process. So I think if there's anybody in our country who can change the myth that animation is cartoon, that's the man.
But personally, what do you think about those jokes?
Superstar's the strongest, yeah. Come on, I'm a Rajini fan, I'm a Talaivar fan. So, like I said, I think there's an undercurrent of a lot of respect with all these jokes. I don't think it's just on the surface. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for coming. Thank you. Thanks.